Headboard storage solutions transform wasted space above and behind the bed into practical, organized storage for small homes. Start by measuring the clearance between your mattress top and the ceiling, and note the bed frame width so any integrated nightstands or drawers align flush with the mattress edges. Choose a headboard that combines open shelving and concealed compartments to balance display space and hidden storage. Open shelves hold frequently used items, and concealed drawers keep clutter out of sight. For safety and durability, pick soft close hinges and drawer slides rated for bedroom use and mount the headboard to both the bed frame and the wall with lag bolts into studs to prevent tipping. Use recessed cubbies with lighting for a finished look and better visibility at night. Install low-heat LED strips inside each cubby and route wiring through the headboard cavity to a wall switch or a smart plug. Add shelf-top ledges at the headboard crown that are at least 2 inches deep to hold phones, clocks, and a small lamp without items tumbling during bed movement. For flip-open storage compartments, design the lid with gas struts or soft close hinges so it stays open while you reach in and closes silently when released. Common mistakes include building a headboard that is too deep, which makes the bed feel crowded and reduces usable floor space, so keep depth under 4 inches for ledges and under 8 inches for recessed cubbies behind the mattress. Another issue is poor lighting planning, which turns cubbies into dark traps, so always include integrated low-heat lighting or route for small puck lights and test at night before finishing the face. Finally, many people forget cable management and end up with visible cords. Prevent that by drilling discreet pass-through holes at the back, using adhesive cable channels, and keeping a surge protector tucked into a lower drawer for chargers and lamps. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like custom headboards and built-in storage, and we make it easy for contractors to find work from people nearby. We also host a discussion community where we share design tips, installation experiences, and realistic cost expectations so our users can plan better and contractors can showcase their work.